So in this video, I apologise for the picture quality. I'm recording with my webcam and I don't have the right software, so this is the quality for now. But I'm going to be hardwiring this actual sound jack, because I think I'm going to convert this system to just auxiliary and not using the Bluetooth radio. It's just something that can be done. I need to put that this up. Right. So, I'm going to take off this panel here. Take off the securing latch, like that, and then I can actually take off the cable hook, because that won't be needed. I can take out this cable, because that also won't be needed. Now I can wire the jack actually in, so I'm literally, well, this jack is actually a good fit for Lego, surprisingly. It's not made for Lego, but it fits in like a 2x1 somewhat easily. Right, so I can put the top part back on. Now I can literally just plug the auxiliary socket in to the port on the speaker, and then I can place the panel back on again because it's correctly wired. Right, okay. Just make sure that the connection adapter that you're using isn't too big for your build. Else it won't, of course, work. Right. Now put this back together. Yeah, I'm also going to put this in the correct way because the little jack here is a bit pushing up the roof of the system, but it's fine just for the demonstration, showing that this actually works. So now, again, I can turn the speaker on. It seemed to have already been on, that's just great. Can plug the lead in, plug it into a device. I just plug it into my radio system, just like that.
73 earlier on.
And yeah, there you go, it is working through the little mini jack on the side. This will make it easier to plug things like this iPod in, because I can plug any length cable in and also take it out for portability. The only thing that I can't actually wire a jack in for is the power socket, because I don't have any power sockets available, which is annoying, but I hope to find one soon. Anyways, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.